What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to change PayPal account address to another country. Now first thing you should do is simply open your PayPal account on your browser. Then what you should do is simply go to the gear icon on the top right corner as you can see. Then what you should do is to simply scroll till you find this option right here, addresses, and now you have to click on these three dots, then click on edit, or you can simply remove this address and change it to another one. So I'm gonna click on edit, and now here as you can see we'll find the street name, house number, district, city, state, postcode, and so on. And now after changing all of these information, you can simply click on update and your address will be updated. Now let's say that you have an issue changing your address. You can simply close your account and try to make a new one, or you have another option. You can make a new account, but this time you will have to choose a business account because PayPal itself allows only two accounts with the same information, one personal account and one business account. And this is the only case that you can have two accounts with the same information. And if you want to close your account, you can simply click on the settings icon up right here, then scroll down till you find this option, close your account. You can click on close your account, and by this way you will close your account. But be careful, do not do that if you have any money on PayPal because you will lose this money. And that's all for today guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.